go on there again?
What did you tell Howard? Did you say there was something going on between us?
Get it?
Freaking out.
Please, come in.
What the hell is wrong with you?
You were always so nice to me. I thought maybe you liked me.
Everyone!
Go back this way. Ready?
I'm sorry.
Here we go. Go get it.
There's never been anything between us.
Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Right, go get it. Go get
Do you
it.
have a sharpened pen?
Come on. Go get it.
You're a cutie.
Come on.
Any girl would be lucky to have you.
Take the ball.
You know, I've done this before. In kindergarten, I was supposed to marry Jason Sorensen at recess. By the time my class got out there, he was already engaged to Chelsea Himmelfarb. What did I do? Hung upside down with empty bars, let all the boys see underpants.
You can't blame yourself. When your prefrontal cortex fails to make you happy, you promised you would report it.
I guess we don't need that enough to
Where'd it go, baby?
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go, baby girl?
She should be able to see it. It's right there.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Ready? Go get it.
Go get it. She looks like she has a load in her pants.
Her diaper is very wet.
My goodness. Ready? Get it. She hands it to me and then takes it back.
Woo! Mama's gonna get it.
Bring it over. Bring it over. No, uh-oh. There it is. Mama kicked it. Look. Get it. We'll entertain this child. A little pink plastic ball. Uh-oh.
Some of the balls from her ball pit.
Let's load it. Do you still have them all?
Just about.
What? Get it. Come on. Get it. Oh. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Get it. Get it. Get it.
Mommy, get it.
Get it, Rach. Get it. Get it. Her pants are going.
Oh, he was very thick.